Here are 5 low maintenance plants that are great for beginners. First is the snake plant. If you are a beginner looking for an easy to care for plant, the snake plant is a fantastic choice. They require low light, minimum watering, and can even help purify the air in your home. Second is the pothos. Pothos is a trailing vine plant, is incredibly easy to care and excellent choice for beginners. Third is the Syngonium. The most wonderful Syngonium are also the perfect house plant for the people with little to no plant care experience. Fourth is the Elephant Bush. Elephant Bush is a classic house plant loved for its vibrant green leaves and easy to care. Fifth is the Fern. Fern are very popular house plant and they offer beauty and health benefits. Fern also top the list of air purifying plant in a NASA study. And of course, don't forget to have fun and enjoy the rewards of nurturing your green friends.